Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video will be a last video covering the series on LMArena. As you can see if you can see my YouTube channel, you would already know that I have already covered a side-by-side and battle arena mode in my previous two full videos on this AI website called as LMArena. So today I'm going to show you how to use this direct chat mode, which is pretty simple to follow. It's pretty easy to use this. So the main important factor for using this website is that you can use any pro or paid subscription version AI model for free over here. So for example, if you want to use Gemini 2.5, which is not available for free users, you can use it over here completely free. You can also use some of the ChatGPT's Pro models, which are available for a subscription based fee, which is completely free over here to use for. So for example, I'll choose, let me check which is the Pro model in ChatGPT. Which are the Pro or subscription based ChatGPT models? So yeah, as you can see over here, ChatGPT Pro and ChatGPT Plus are the Pro models offered by OpenAI. So let me check over here if there is a Pro model available over here. So as you can see, there is GPT-5 Chat and GPT-5 High over here. Let's see Pro. Yeah. So let me check an upgrade. Also, let me check for Google Gemini. As you can see over here, there is 2.5 Pro Gemini model which you can use for free. So let me check if Gemini 2.5 Pro model is a subscription based or a free one. As you can see over here, it is free to use for some prompts, but you can't use it daily without a limit. But over here on this website, you can basically use any model which is available on the internet for free and without any limitations. So let me select this Gemini 2.5 Pro model and see how it works. So just throw your prompt in this interface, which is, so for example, I'll just throw a prompt about what's the difference between machine learning and deep learning. So as you can see, it has given the answer on our question. It has also given us an example, the analogy, learning to identify a cat. Imagine you're teaching a computer to recognize a cat in a photo. Yeah, so it is also explaining how machine learning differs from deep learning using examples, which is pretty good. Yeah, it is a pretty long answer, but it's pretty nice. It is trying to let us know how and why machine learning differentiates between deep learning. It's pretty good. It has also given us a table about the key differences between machine learning and deep learning, which is pretty nice. When do you switch? Okay, let me test another prompt. Let's ask Gemini to create a story for us. So write a 3-sentence scary story for us. I'll also show you how many models are present over here, which you can use for free and ask any prompts you want for this model. So you can see there is a Gwen model, a cloud model by Anthropic, if I'm correct, then ChatGPT models, OpenAI models, Meta Llama models, and Mistral. There is Mistral, pretty nice too. Then there is Grok too, which you can use over here for free. And yeah, there are so many models which you can choose from. So there are more than 20 to 30 models present over here from which you can choose from for your task, for your questions, for your prompt. Yeah, this literally sounds very fascinating. I think so Gemini is taking quite a time to generate the answer for a prompt because it might be busy. A lot of people might be asking Gemini some questions. Let me reload this page. Your app. Let's try using another model, ChatGPT. Let's create a new chat. Okay, let's create a new chat and select let's select cloud opus, or maybe let's select GPT-5 high. I think high is a pro model, which is subscription based, which you can't use for free anywhere except here. So let's ask the same question. Write a 3-sentence short scary story. Oops. at 2.49 my phone was taken from a sitting frame. Wow. And in the corner a dark hand whirling around the frame. Then the fan began to turn and the next photo arrived. Damn. This is a pretty nice story created by ChatGPT. Wow. Pretty good. So let me ask a last question to test these models. I think so they are performing pretty well. I'll ask a question related to logic. So suppose if I have 3 apples, okay, I eat one and give one away. It's pretty easy question, to be honest. How many apples do I have? Just pretty fast answer, but yeah, nice. Maybe I'll ask one more question related to coding. I'll ask, give me a Python code that print numbers from 1 to 10. Let's see how fast it is to answer our question. This is also pretty simple. Yeah, pretty good. So this models perform very well. Obviously they would, because they are the pro and subscription based models provided by these companies, which you can use over here for completely free. But please do remember that all your charts which you have an interaction with these models are not private. It will be used for research basis. So whatever you say over here, whatever you ask as a prompt, will be used to train these models, which will be used for research purposes to improve this model. So yeah, that's all. So I hope you all liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for further videos on AI tools like this. Thank you for joining.